And she breaks through the line. What a powerful start to this matchup at 8109 Wharf Street in Frisco.
Folks, we got a prime listing on the field. Single story, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms of winning space. This one's lining up to be a first round draft pick.
And here's the first down play, the open floor plan. Look at that seamless drive from living room to kitchen. Perfect execution for hosting game day or running the everyday offense. Now here comes the quarterback of this home, the primary suite, spacious, private, and calling the shots. That's the kind of leadership every winning team needs. Backing up the starter, we've got 2 more bedrooms and an extra bath, depth on the roster, and plenty of room for the whole squad.
Final whistle, folks. This one is a game winner. Don't sit on the sidelines. Schedule your showing today before someone else runs off with the trophy.